Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 239. This was the 26th of April 2023, a Wednesday. So I did most of the day working all day, long day on the phones, and I had made one sale, got on the phones, and did Medicare Advantage Medicare Advantage sales. So long day. Then I also did books, and I also did some FBA sales and ACA. So that was pretty much it. But a long day. So it takes some getting used to, and I am grateful today for the people at the dermatology office that takes care of my daughter, and the pharmacists and all the people involved in that. I'm really grateful that they are there. And I'm grateful for the people also at the platform, and I'm grateful today that I had an opportunity to have, we call it ride along with a more experienced agent. Got to listen to him talking with customers, and he did a very good job. So that's it for day 239. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I will talk to you soon.